Started the prop jump here. This is our second trial for the BMX Bike Jump Olympics. And here we go. Woo! Boy, not close. Prop jump number one, a remote controlled Humvee. Here we go. And they're off, taking their practice run down the road. Woo! Come on, bud. Woo! Good job. Practice jump number two. A block of wood. What about this?
Ooh.
Oh, yeah. Replace that. And there we go, guys. The block of wood. They're really turning up the heat, turning up the challenge. I think they can do it. What do you think, guys? Can they do it? Yes, they can. And he's off. And here we go. Woo! Good job, bud. What about a smiley face? Smiley face gets replaced. A block of wood. Smiley face
This will
jump.
be a piece of cake.
Piece of cake, that's easy. And they're off. The practice run is on. And here we go. This is the trial, the bike jump trial for the Olympics. The Olympics bike jump. And here comes Jay Xander jumping over Mr. Smiley Face. Woo! Here comes GJ. Don't smash his face. Oh, he skipped his lip, boys and girls. But he did it. What do you think? Did he do a good job? Did they good? Was it a good jump? Smiley face approves the emoji. Iron Man. What about Mr. Iron Man? I think he can jump over Mr. Iron Man. And here he is. He's just waiting and debating. Come here, Mr. Iron Man. Come here. Oh, you don't want to go? You don't want to go? Mr. Iron Man doesn't want to go, guys. He has a temper tantrum on the ground. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, Mr. Iron Man. You gonna walk with me? Okay. Okay, walk. Walk. Oh, that's nice. He's walking. He's walking with me, guys. Good. Now he decided to come. Mr. Iron Man decided to come. Good guy. Come on. You're supposed to be a superhero. You're supposed to be a superhero, right? Okay. All right, can you lay down for me? Okay. Boop. Oh no, he's laying on top of, it's Mr. Emoji and Iron Man. Woo! See, I told you it wasn't going to be that bad. Here comes GJ. It's not as bad. Woo! You did it. And guys, there you have it. This is the second trial for the Olympic bike jump. They really did it. A great job. They jumped. They did the challenge. They came and they conquered. Good job. Yes. Do you think? So how do you rate your jumps today, guys?
Like 8 out of 10.
What about you?
Like I did big jumps, so I
How does
do.
What's it take to be you guys, huh? Is it a lot of practice? What do you do?
Skill stuff.
Skills and what else?
And you have to practice.
Well, so what time do you get up to practice?
It's all about the speed that you make in the jumps.
And the velocity. Okay.
Yeah.
Velocity, speed, and you got to really gauge your jumps. Okay. Well, great job. I appreciate it. So we're gonna check out the scores, and we're gonna check out.
And it's all about it's all about how you do it. And if you got hurt or you broke a leg I'm sorry you try to ride a bike, but
We don't
it's okay.
frick away. Well, we hope you want to stay safe. You got your helmets on. That's good. But you guys did a fantastic job. We leave it in the hands of the judges. We'll see. Hey, guys, on our friends that watch the videos, let us know what your favorite jump was. Smiley face or
Iron Man.
Mr. Iron Man, that's on his face. Hi, Mr. Iron Man. Or the block of wood.
I did
Or
all three.
the remote control car. Which one do you like? Let us know.
Let us
All right? And we'll check out the comments and comment below and let us know what your favorite jump is. Thanks for watching. These guys, did they do good or what? Yeah.
Like and subscribe for more bike.
Trick jumps.
Yeah, trick jumps.
Trick jumps. See you later, guys. Thanks for
See you
watching.
later.
See you later.
Like and subscribe.